everyone, welcome back to another new video. In today's video, I am going to solve split an array into two equal sum subarrays. And before starting today's video, please like and share. And if you are new, please subscribe. And today's problem of the day is very much easy. In this video, first I will explain the problem statement, then I will explain the implementation with examples, then the approach and code also. Okay, so go to problem statement. In problem statement, you have given an array of integer and you have to return true if it is a possible to split it into two sub arrays, and the we can't reordering the elements in the array and such that the sum of the two sub arrays are equal. Then if it is, then it will be true. If not possible, then it will return false. That's it. And go to example list. In example given this input array, first array 1 2 3. Okay, and array is like this, right here: 1 2 3 4 5 and 5. This is our first example. Now in problem statement they have given we can't reordering the array elements, and if we find the subarrays, sum of subarrays equal to are equal to sum, then it will return true. And now check, first we reordering with index value, it will be more easy. Just write down the index value. It is 0 1 2 3 4 5, because array always start from 0 index. And first we count from this, divide into two parts, two sub arrays, and dividing two sub arrays we will count from left to right, we'll count from left to right. Okay, so if we count from left, first element 0 index element is 1, so 1, and then we sum 2 index 1 value 2, and index 2 value 3. Okay, fine. And index 4 3 value 4. Okay. Okay, now if we sum this one, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10. Okay, this is our first part. And second part is 5 plus 5. Okay, 5 plus 5, because we traversing from right to left, sorry, left to right. So we sum of this. Now this is first part and this is second part subarray. Both are, you can see both are same. Now question is, how can you divide which part, how many elements? How can you recognize this? Just what you have to do, you have to count the total elements in the given array. Suppose in this given example, how many elements? First 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 elements. So if we divide total sum, if we divide total sum divided by 2, total sum divided by, we will get the middle point. Okay, and how many parts we will get? Suppose in this 6 by 2 means 3. Okay, 3 means we will count the index value 3. We'll count the index value 3. Okay, that's it. So in output it will show true, because we can divide into a two equal sum of subarrays. Both subarrays, sum value is equal. Okay, so it will output will be true. That's it. Now go to next example. Okay, remove this. Now in next example, given array is 4 3 2 1. Okay, 4 3 2 1. This is given in array. Now in this array, if we sum this, if there are four value, you can see there are four elements only. So 4 by 2. So we can divide into two parts, these two parts. Okay, so if we if we sum of this these two parts value, because our total elements 4, so 4 plus 3 7, and this 2 plus 1 3. Is this equal? No, it is not equal. Both subarrays are not equal. So in this case output will be false. Output will be show false. Very easy. Now What is the time complexity of this? In this problem statement, time complexity will be O of n and space complexity will be O of 1. O of n, time complexity, and space complexity O of 1. And now go to approach, will be more easy. And approach, basically what we have, we take two approach. One is simple solution. In simple solution, you can run two loop to split the array and check it is possible to split the array into two parts, and such that the sum of the first part equal to sum of the second part. Okay, it is our first approach. And second approach is basically efficient solution. First we complete the sum of the whole array from left to right. From left to right we will sum the array left to right, then we traverse the array from right and keep track the sum, right sum and left sum can be computed by subtracting current element from the whole sum. Okay, and in this efficient solution, time complexity will be O of n and O of 1, which is given in our problem statement. And previous solution, time complexity will be O of n square and O of 1. So we will keep this efficient solution approach. Okay, now go to code. In code, first we calculate the total sum of the array. So we create total sum variable. It will calculate the total sum of the array. Then we check is total sum is odd. We check it, and it is impossible to split into two equal sum if it is odd. Okay, and then it will return false if it is odd. And then we initialize the left sum into 0, initialize to 0, then we initialize target. We will get the target, and this target will keep track the total sum divided by 2 is our target. And target value is stored the sum value, and then we will iterate the array to find the split point. So we create a for loop, and then we check the left sum values equals to target or not. If left sum values are equal to our target, then it will return true, or else it will return false. It is the if there is not find any valid equal sum subarrays, then it will return false. That's it. Now compile and run. Okay, now submit. We solved today's problem. Hope so today's video is helpful to you. See you next videos. Till then, tata bye bye.